official wedding video nila ni Toni Gonzaga ug Paul Soriano gipagawas na si Crystal Clemente sa Showbiz Chika.
Mag-usa ka buwan human sa ilang pagpakasal, Toni Gonzaga ug Paul Soriano mipagawas na sa ilang official wedding video. Ang video gipublish ni filmographer Bob Nicholas sa iyang Vimeo account. Highlight sa video ang showbiz nuptial ug ang emosyonal nga wedding vows ni Toni ug Paul. Ania ang video ni Bob Nicholas.
You know my love for film, and even as we speak, I'm actually producing and directing right now. I got my Super 8 guys filming. We got a little movie coming soon. But the reason why I chose to shoot you on Super 8 today is because we're technically celebrating Super 8 years of love.
You have fought for your position in my life, and there are times when I would see you get tired, but there was never a time you gave up. It has been a long journey, my love, and now we are
When I saw you come down that aisle, as a filmmaker, my imagination just goes wild. And
submitting yourself to Him as unto the Lord, showing reverence and honor to Him as the head of this union for the rest of your life.
I do!
Ang duha nagpakasal ni atong Hunyo 12 sa hometown ni Toni sa Taytay, Rizal. Kini si Crystal Clemente alang sa Showbiz Chika.